Hi, so I'm Rand Rusher of Stitch Lab.
I'm Kurt Mewson, Stitch Lab LA. We have a clothing company, apparel company actually, for high-end medical wear.
And we came today to work with Beate on growth strategy on how to become a bigger and better company, and how in one day through her VIP teaching, I think we've really gotten so much out of this. And I would suggest anyone who's interested in making their partnership better or growing their company to come to her class.
So I guess my take in coming in was, since I'm probably involved more in the company than he is at the moment, so there was just a lot of antagonism and direction setting or lack of direction setting, an understanding of where I'm coming from, where he's coming from, and we were just in a state of disarray, I would say, about who's doing what. So today really helped me anyway, focus on what my strengths are and what his strengths are, and my weaknesses and his weaknesses, so we can understand each other and play to each other's strengths and importance and get back to sharing in the business that we enjoy doing.
Amen.